Becki-licious here. Tonight we're going to try a brand new recipe. Sounds yummy, yummy. It is pineapple chicken paprika tacos. So let's give it a shot. All right, first we're gonna start out by sauteing up the onions. And we're going to add a little bit of salt to that. So we're gonna get these all sauteed up. So it's gonna take probably about 2 minutes or so. 2 minutes now. And then we are going to add some paprika, because obviously they're paprika tacos. A little bit of paprika in there. And then we're going to put a little bit of chili powder. And then we are going to add in some garlic, because we just want all the flavors. So we're going to get this all mixed up. Already smelling amazing. Now this recipe intrigued me because it seems very, very simple. Very simple. And if you know me, you know I always have rotisserie chicken somewhere. And I didn't. This is what this needs. It's just some shredded chicken. So, all right. So now we are going to add in our pineapple, which is just crushed pineapple. So we're going to get all that in there. I want all the stuff. All the flavors. And then last but not least is the chicken. So just a couple cups of some shredded chicken. Like I said, this was rotisserie chicken. I had it all, got it all up and ready to go. So this is it. Now we're just gonna take this and we're gonna let it all get all stirred up together and all warmed up, okay? It smells good. It smells really good. All right, so we're just gonna let this get all heated up, because obviously the chicken's been in the refrigerator, so we want that to get heated all nice and through. So there you go. Okay, these have been simmering in here, so chicken's all nice and heated through all the way through. So we're gonna throw this over into a bowl. Okay. Leave a little bit of the remnants in here because we're going to use this pan. And then we are going to make our flour, or our corn tortillas. We're going to heat a couple of them up in here. So we've got this corn tortilla. We're going to put it in my handy dandy little, I'm going to go ahead and throw another one on here while we're waiting. And let's go ahead and build. We're going to put some of this yummy chicken. There we go, look at that. Chicken in there. Doesn't it look yummy? Gotta have your cheese, bit of tomatoes. What a perfect little tortilla. Perfect size, huh? I love the smaller tortillas because they're perfect. And there we go. That's it. Look at that. Look at that cute little taco. Isn't that adorable? That's so cute. There we go. Gotta love it, gotta love it. So there we go, another fun adventure that we had together, something new that I've never done before, and you guys were there to help me with it. I appreciate it. Don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, click on that link tree for some, backstage fun stuff. And once again, I hope you had a good time, because I always do. I'll see you next time. Bye.